So negative stock is nothing but consider we have an urgent requirement. Okay, consider material which is having a stock of 5 quantity. Okay, 5 piece, and also we are receiving with reference to purchase order from vendor. We are receiving another 5 quantity. Okay, now the requirement is for 7. Okay, 7, but in the stock we can see only 5. Okay, what we can do, as it is an urgent requirement, okay, we issue 7. Okay, to issue 7, system won't allow because stock we have only 5, right? To allow negative stock, okay, in the configuration we have to also activate that for each plant. Okay, whether this particular plant and this particular movement type, whether it allow negative stock or not. Okay, that we have to activate it. After activation, it should allow. Okay, so then it should show 5 is there. Okay, but now I am issuing 7. It goes with -2. Okay, once I receive the other 5, okay, it becomes +3. Okay, the actual stock will become +3. Okay, that's how the negative stock gets adjusted when we receive the actual goods. Okay, also to allow negative stock, we should have a this particular customization should be maintained. Means it is allowed for the plant. Okay, and it also allowed for the stock types. Okay, and also allow for the store location, which store location we are issuing the goods. Okay, and also for the application in the material master. Okay, so negative stock should be allowed. This view, general plant data view, the material master, this checkbox should be there, negative stock allowed or not. Okay, yeah, so this is the setting which you need to activate allow negative stock in the backend. Okay, inventory management customizing. Yeah, this is about the inventory management. So we have customizing. Okay, customizing will be covered in the other this one, and this specific customizing we are covering here itself. Okay, as I told, this customizing, maybe customizing related to the reason for movement. Okay, they're all customizing. Okay, actual other customizing related to this one inventory management are like how the number ranges will be generated. Okay, that is one of the most important thing, and how to create a movement type. Okay, new movement type. Okay, that is, those two are two important things. Okay, when it comes to inventory management. Okay, so other customizing we cover in the during the class itself. Okay, here in the theory class itself, it's covering. Okay,
So normally, this number ranges and all for the movement types, we have to configure in the movement types itself, or
that is number range. It all depends on the this one. We have a document type here in the inventory management. Means
Mhm.
based on the transaction actually, goods received, goods issue, or maybe transfer posting. Okay, each
Okay.
will be having in the we call it as a transfer key or something. Okay, transaction event key. Okay,
Mhm.
based on that key we specify the number ranges. Will show in the customizing. Okay, during customizing task I will show you how it will be created. Okay, for the each transaction event keys we
Yeah.
set the number ranges. That number ranges will be taken by that particular event key. Okay, so
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
this is about the, so now allow negative stocks. So for which valuation area? Okay, means company code and plant, which plant and store location. Okay, it should be allowed. That should be the case here. it is not allowed. Okay, even if I see our company code, so 720, it is not allowed. Okay, so in any of the material, right? Maybe if I see the first one, 121, there is no stock. Okay, if I try to issue it, issue 201. Okay, so material 21. Okay, let me try to issue one material. Okay, cost center. Let us see stock is there or not. So we don't see any stock. Okay, now it should give us error. Okay, because there is no stock. Check. Okay, into the cost center. You can see deficit of instead of one piece. One piece is not there. Okay, so it is an error message. Okay, we cannot do the issue. Okay, it's an error. Okay, cancel. Click on new. Okay, now okay for this okay plant, let us select negative stock is allowed. Okay, so here for the plant level, okay, any special stock, if it is allowed or not, we need to select it. Okay, then also similarly for store location here. Which store location it is allowed. Okay, so select 1766. Okay, save. Okay, so now we made the configuration and plant level. Okay, ours is not a any special stock, it's a normal stock. Okay, so no need to select this. Now for the store location and plant is allowed now. Okay, so it is allowed. Negative stock. Go back. Okay, now try. Go back. Quantity one. Also, we forget another setting, right? It's for the master data. For this material, that negative stock should be allowed. Okay, so let us try. It should not allow now also because the master data setting is missing. In the configuration it is there, but in master data it is not there. Okay, let's check. Cost center. Check. You can see it's giving same error message. Okay, now go back. Say go to MM02. Okay, 121. So it is this one. Plant data storage 1 and 2. Plant is 1720 and storage location is this one 2 years. Okay, for this one only it is allowed. Negative stock. Okay, here can you see anywhere the checkbox negative stock?
Plant data location.
Yeah, that only in the two. Yeah, here plant data selection two way it is there. You can see here negative stock in plant. Okay, select save. Okay, okay, it's changed. Okay, let us go now with the Amigo to material. Okay, check. See, now it becomes warning, not error. Okay. So negative stock I can issue, right? See, I can post. So because of this, I created issue. So the warehouse or if the salespeople, if they want to create any other document, delivery document, some other shipping document, okay, they can create it before actual material arrives. Once it is received, they can do the goods receipt and that negative stock will goes, right? That's it. So that is how the negative stock, okay, configurations are used.